Good morning students. In the previous video we see the addition of two cubes. In this video we see the factorizing of difference of two cubes. So how we sum the factors of a cube minus b cube. So first we know the formula a minus b bracket cube. We know this formula a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Now in this we take a common ab. Then we get a cube minus thrice ab in the bracket a minus b minus b cube. Now we take the cube side by a cube minus b cube minus thrice ab in the bracket a minus b. Then we get this formula a minus b bracket cube equal to a cube minus b cube minus thrice ab in the bracket a minus b. Now we take these two cubes here and this term we transfer left side. Then we get a cube minus b cube, this as it is, but I write only this side. Then this is the minus, means this number is negative when we transfer positive. Then we get a minus b bracket cube plus thrice ab in the bracket a minus b. Now this is the cube, so I write here a minus b bracket square plus thrice ab in the bracket a minus b. Then again I write down this formula a minus b bracket square a square plus twice ab minus b square. A square minus 2ab plus b square plus thrice ab in the bracket a minus b. Now in this term and this term we get the common bracket a minus b. So I take a common a minus b in this bracket. Remaining terms are there a square minus twice ab plus b square plus thrice ab. Then we solve this bracket. This is the variable are same of these terms. Then minus 2b plus 3ab means we get a square plus minus minus, but sign of the greater number. 3 minus 2 1 ab and plus b square. So we get our formula a cube minus b cube equal to a minus b in the bracket a square plus ab plus b square. In this way we have the two formulas a cube plus b cube, and this is the another formula a cube minus b cube equal to a minus b a square plus ab plus b square. We get these two formulas. Okay. Now we start practice set 6.3. In this set we see how to solve the factorizing of difference of two cubes by using these formulas. So we take first question, example number 3. 27 n cube minus 216 n cube. 27 is the cube of any number, but 216 is not a cube. So we take the common 27. Then we get in the bracket m cube minus 27 8s are 216. So 8n cube. And then by using formula, which formula we have to use? A cube minus b cube. A minus b a square plus ab plus b square. Now what is the values of a and b? Compare this formula to this example. a cube means equal to m and b cube means what is the cube? N cube, and 8 is the cube of 2. So b's value is twice n. Then put these values in our formula. Then we get 27. A minus b, this is the common number, so we write down here a minus b, m minus twice n. Another bracket, a square plus ab plus b square, a square m square plus twice mn, m into 2n means twice mn plus b square means twice n bracket square. 27 m minus twice n, another bracket m square plus twice mn plus 4 m square. These are the factors. Okay. Now we see example number 5. 8p cube minus 27 upon p cube. So we observe this 8 and 27. 8 is the cube of 2 and 27 is the cube of 3. So we directly apply the formula a cube minus b cube. Then first we write down twice p bracket cube minus 3 upon p bracket cube. Then by using a cube minus b cube equal to a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. Compare to this and observe what is the value of a, twice p, and what is the value of b, 3 by p. Put these values in our formula, then we get a minus b twice p minus 3 upon p. Another bracket, a square means twice p bracket square plus a into b means twice p into 3 upon p plus b square means 3 by p bracket square. Then we solve this bracket, twice p minus 3 upon p, twice p bracket square means 4p square plus p cancel, 3 into 2 6 plus 3 square is 9 upon p square. These are the factor of our given example. Okay. Now we see example number 8. 16a cube minus 128 upon b cube. 16 is not a cube, perfect cube, and 128 also not a perfect cube. So we take common 16. So we get 16 in the bracket a cube minus 16 8 is 128 upon b cube. And then we observe our formula a cube minus b cube, 8 is the cube of 2. So by using a cube minus b cube equal to a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. Compare to this, a is equal to a and b is equal to 2 upon b. Put these values in our formula. You write the 16, taking common out, in the bracket a minus b, a minus 2 upon b, another bracket a square plus a into b means 2 upon b plus b square means 2 by b bracket square. Then give answer a minus 2 by b, another bracket a square plus 2 into a twice a upon b plus 2 square is 4 and b square is b square. This is the answer. Okay. See question number 2, simplify. So I take here second example. You try first example. Second example is 3a plus 5b bracket cube minus 3a minus 5b bracket cube. Then this is the difference of two cubes. Means we have the formula a cube minus b cube. By using, again we write down this formula a cube minus b cube equal to a minus b in the bracket a square plus AB plus B square. You observe what is the value of A? This is the A, thrice A plus 5B. And what is the value of B? B is equal to thrice A minus 5B. Put these values in our formula. Then we get A minus B means thrice A plus 5B minus thrice A minus plus 5B. I write down here directly. When the minus before the bracket, then sign is changed. So I write here plus. A minus B. This minus change with the plus. Another bracket A square means thrice A plus 5B bracket square plus A into B thrice A plus 5B into thrice A minus 5B plus B square means thrice A minus 5B bracket square. Now we solve first this bracket. Thrice A minus thrice A cancel, plus minus 3 minus 3 0, and we get 5 plus 5 10B. Another bracket thrice A plus 5B bracket square. By using here A plus B bracket square formula. So what is the formula of A plus B bracket square? A square plus twice AB plus B square. A square means this is our A and this is the B. Thrice A square means 9A square plus twice AB means 5 is a 15, 15 to the 30 AB plus B square, 5B square means 25B square plus. Now this is the formula of A plus B and A minus B. Again we know the formula of A plus B, A minus B equal to A square minus B square. So what is our A and B? A means thrice A and B means 5B. So directly we write down 9A square minus 25B square plus. Then thrice A minus 5B bracket square. Again we use A minus B bracket square. A square minus twice AB plus B square means 9A square minus 30AB. 5 is a 15, 15 to the 30AB plus 25B square. And then we solve this bracket. 10B, another bracket 9A square, 9A square and 9A square plus means plus 9, 18 and 9, 27A square, then 30AB and this minus 30AB cancel, plus minus, then 25B square minus 25B square also cancel, plus minus, remaining only here 25B square plus 25B square, and then we get this answer. This is the last answer. Again we can write down this 10B multiplied in the bracket, then we get, or we can write this type of answer also. 10B into 27A square means 270 A square B. 10 into 25 plus 250 B cube. This is the last answer. Okay. Now we see example number 4. P cube minus P plus 1 bracket cube. Again by using A cube minus B cube. A minus B, A square plus AB plus B square. Now observe this. A means what? P, and B means what? P plus 1. Put these values in our formula. A minus B means p minus p plus 1. Another bracket a square means p square plus a into b means p into p in bracket p plus 1 plus b square means p plus 1 bracket square. Then we solve. Here is minus, so we change the, when we solve the bracket, we change the sign in the bracket. P minus 1 plus change into minus. P square plus p into p square plus p into 1 p plus this bracket we solve. A plus b bracket square means a plus b bracket square. What is the formula of this? A square plus twice ab plus b square. P square plus 2 into p into 1 means 2p plus 1. 1 square means 1. And then p minus p 0 cancel. Here is minus 1. Another bracket p square plus p square plus p square. Here is nothing but coefficient means 1. 1 p square. Another p square and another p square means thrice p square. Then p plus 2p means plus thrice p plus 1. So we can change the sign of all, otherwise this is the answer. Minus thrice p square minus thrice p minus 1. This is the answer. Okay. Now we see example number 5. Observe this example. When we observe, we get a equal to thrice xy minus twice ab and b is equal to 3xy plus twice ab. Put this value in our formula. A cube minus b cube means a minus b. First bracket is a minus b. So we write down 3xy minus twice ab minus another bracket 3xy plus twice ab. Bracket complete. Next bracket a square means thrice xy minus twice ab bracket square plus a into b means thrice xy minus 2ab into thrice xy plus twice ab plus b square means I write here thrice xy plus twice ab bracket square. Then we solve this. Thrice xy minus twice ab minus 3xy minus plus minus twice ab. Another bracket a square a minus b bracket square means we use here a minus b bracket square. A square means 9. Here right here first xy bracket square minus twice ab 2 into thrice xy into twice ab plus b square twice ab bracket square plus a minus b, a plus b, a square minus b square. So I write down directly 3x square minus twice ab bracket square plus a plus b bracket square, a square plus twice ab plus b square means twice ab bracket square. And then we solve this. Thrice xy minus thrice xy cancel. Minus minus plus, but sign is minus. 2 and 2 4 ab. Another bracket 3xy square is 9x square y square minus 3 into 2 6, 6 into 2 12xy ab. All these variables plus twice AB, bracket square means 4A square B square plus 9x square y square minus 4A square B square plus 3xy bracket square 9x square y square plus 3 into 2 6, 6 into 2 12xy AB plus 4A square B square. Okay. Now we write on. Okay. Minus 4AB, another bracket. So this bracket is complete. 9x square y square. See, where is the same variables? 9x square y square and 9x square y square. Okay, 9 plus 9, 18, 18 plus 9, 27 x square y square. Then another variable is xyab minus 12xyab and plus 12xyab, cancel, minus plus cancel, and then a square b square variable plus minus cancel, this 4a square b square minus 4a square b square cancel, and this is the remaining only 4a square b square. This is the answer. If we want to write multiply the minus 4ab inside the bracket, so again we have to write this minus 4ab multiplying to this bracket, we get minus 4 into 27 means 108 x square y square ab minus plus minus 4 into 4 16 a cube and b cube, a square into a cube, b into b square b cube. This is the last answer of our given example. Okay.